County in western Massachusetts.
Northeastern Dutchess County in east central New York until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stansonville, or 12 miles east of Rhinebeck, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ammonia, Sharon, Pine Plains, Norfolk, Millbrook, Canaan, Millerton, Sandusfield, Stansonville, Ashley Falls, Falls Village, Winston, Bethel, Salisbury, Colebrook, Smithfield, South Canaan, Lithgow, South Ammonia, and Taconic. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 441, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties.
So you got a 2-foot sonotube there, and you want that at least 4 feet to avoid frost.